Hi friends, welcome back to channel SciTech. In today's we'll try to test the 4D haptic feedback support in the Realme GT device while playing Battlegrounds mobile gameplay. Yes, so this is a question which has been requested by a few of my subscribers asking me to make a video. And finally friends, this is my day one of using this Realme GT device, and in this video I'll try to explain you whether you can actually use 4D vibrations in this Realme GT smartphone or not. One quick note, the phone has got really very good strong haptic feedback. Yes, it's fantastic friends. You can actually feel the haptic feedback coming from top and bottom when you're trying to use the keyboard and everything. Fantastic. But the thing is that this kind of UIs are really not that great in terms of the optimizing for the 4D haptic vibrations. Right now, there is only one UI which is really optimized, well optimized I mean, which is a FunTouch UI in terms of the 4D haptic vibrations. I'm not talking about all other optimization, only about 4D haptic vibrations. But in this Realme GT device, same thing. As you can see friends, there is no option at all. At least in the previously Realme X1 Max, you used to get that kind of option which is the 4D vibration, but now they deleted the option from the gain space. As you can see friends, if you don't believe me, let me try to open the gain space application. Is a gain space application. As you can see friends, exactly this is a Realme X1 Max device. So try to compare both phones. You can actually see the 4D vibrations in the Realme X1 Max, and now there is not even a 4D vibration option. At least in this 4D vibration you can play in the PUBG game, not in the Battlegrounds mobile game. That's unfortunately in this device. But in the Realme GT, as you can see, when there is no option to select 4D vibration. So you may think, why we require the option? So by default, maybe the game might be supported. It's not supported friends, trust me. I did try to play the game, it's not supported at this moment. So this is happening friends with the Realme UI and the MI UI. I'm not that happy at all with this kind of UIs, because the phone hardware is so much powerful and so much capable enough to have this kind of 4D vibrations, but the UI optimization is not that great for this 4D vibrations. At this moment, I can definitely find one of the strongest haptic feedbacks in the iQOO 7 device. It's very strong. It's very strong, and you can actually use in the Battlegrounds mobile, Call of Duty game, FIFA game, some other games as well. But sometimes it doesn't work in the Call of Duty, but still you can use in the Battlegrounds mobile game in the iQOO 7 device. You can actually customize. That's a fantastic thing to have. Only that one UI I can see at this moment having this kind of support. Even the OnePlus UI as well. OnePlus also got the haptic feedback enhancement option in the games as well. It's working pretty good, but not in the OnePlus Nord 2. I did see it working in the OnePlus 8T, but not in the OnePlus Nord 2, unfortunately. I'm not sure why. But overall, I'm not getting any kind of haptic feedback. No way. In the Realme GT. So you may think if you enable the GT mode, then you will get the haptic feedback. Let me try to enable the GT mode as well. When I'm enabling the GT mode, I'm getting very strong vibrations, but after that, no. I'm not getting friends exactly. So overall, the haptic feedback is not supported in the Realme GT device while playing Battlegrounds mobile game at this point. So maybe in the future, if possible, maybe, I cannot guarantee, maybe 10% chance that they will add this 4D vibrations, because right now they did even delete the 4D vibrations from this gain space toolbar. I think they're not having that kind of thoughts, I think, to add in this Realme GT maybe in the next. But let me know in the comment section below friends, will it matter for you a lot or not having the 4D haptic feedback vibrations in the phone or not? But for me, yes. But few of the users, it doesn't matter much. So that's it friends, thank you for watching this video. This is a quick review on this Realme GT 4D haptic feedback support test, and see you in the next video friends. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.